This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Stephanie Jarvis Caskill. Beautiful property in a sought-after neighborhood, Parkside at Bennetts Creek. Great floor plan with large dining area and open kitchen to the living room with expansive center island. Extra large first floor master bedroom with private bathroom and 2 additional bedrooms upstairs plus loft space. Perfect for a playroom or office. Amazing storage/attic space on second level. Nice sized backyard with privacy fence. For more information, review the details below.